सुप्रभातम गुणीजन, कहानियों वाला वेद लेकर आया है वंड खा खंड खा, Joy of Giving. One of the great Hollywood actress, Katharine Hepburn, was possibly the only person who won the Oscar award 4 times, apart from being nominated a dozen times, but was never present in the grand ceremony to receive it. She had a strong belief that only the affection and love of the people who enjoyed her acting and cinema was the greatest reward for her. Katharine Hepburn was from a middle-class family with a modest upbringing, but her parents instilled strong values in their growing up days. One such incident was narrated by herself later in her own words. Once when I was a teenager, my father and I were standing in a line to buy the tickets to see the circus. Finally, there was only one other family between us and the ticket counter. The family made a big impression on me. There were 8 children, all probably under the age of 12. The way they were dressed, you could tell they did not have a lot of money, but their clothes were neat and clean. The children were well behaved, all of them standing in line, 2 by 2 behind their parents holding hands. They were excitedly jabbering about the clowns, animals, and all the acts they would be seeing that night. By their excitement, you could sense they had never been to the circus before. It would be a highlight of their lives. The father and mother were at the head of the pack, standing proud as could be. The mother was holding her husband's hand, looking up at him as if to say, "You are my knight in shining armor." He was smiling and enjoying seeing his family happy. The ticket lady asked the man, "How many tickets you want?" He proudly responded, "I would like to buy 8 children tickets and 2 adult tickets so I can take my family to see the circus." The ticket lady stated once again the price. The man's wife let go his head. Her head dropped. The man's lip began to quiver. Then he leaned a little closer. He asked, "How much did you say?" The ticket lady again stated the price. The man did not have enough money. How was he supposed to turn and tell his 8 kids that he did not have enough money to take them to the circus? Seeing what was going on, my dad reached into his pocket, pulled out a 20 bill, and then dropped it on the ground. We were not wealthy in any sense at that time. My father bent down, picked up that 20 bill, tapped the man on the shoulder and said, "Excuse me, sir. This fell out of your pocket." The man understood what was going on. He was not begging for handout, but certainly appreciated the help in a desperate, heartbreaking, and embarrassing situation. He looked straight into my dad's eyes, took my dad's hand in both of his, squeezed tightly onto the 20 bill, and with his lip quivering and a tear streaming down his cheek, he replied, "Thank you so much, sir. This really means a lot to me and my family." My father and I went back to our car and drove home. The 20 that my dad gave away is what we're going to buy our own tickets. Although we did not get to see the circus, but we both felt a joy inside that was greater than seeing the circus could ever provide. The moral of the story is that day I learned the value of giving. If you want to be larger than life, learn to give. The giver is bigger than the receiver. Love has nothing to do with what you are expecting to get. It's only concerned with what you are willing to give, which is everything. Katharine Hepburn. तो आज का दिन शुरुआत कीजिए देने से। वंड खा खंड खा। एक मुस्कान देना भी देना ही है। किसी की बात को सुन लेना भी देना है। किसी की जरूरत को पूरा कर देना भी देना है। और उसमें जो दुआएं मिलती हैं, उसमें जो सुकून और सुख मिलता है, वो आपको दुनिया में कितनी भी दौलत खर्च करके नहीं मिल सकता। तो कैथरीन हैपबर्न की फैमिली बहुत साल पहले अपने बच्चों को ये सामाजिक संस्कार दे गई। हमें भी उसकी ज़रूरत है और हमारा हिंदुस्तान तो प्रसिद्ध है इसके लिए। जय हिंद।